How to update Bank of America mobile banking app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Bank of America mobile banking application. Updating the mobile application ensures you have the latest features, security enhancement and bug fixes. Here's how you can update your Bank of America mobile banking application. If you are using the Android device, you can go ahead and open your Google Play Store on your device. And if you are using iOS device, then you can open any app store available on your device. Since I'm using the Android device, here I'm going to open my Google Play Store. Simply open your Google Play Store application and ensure that you are logged in to your Google account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Now in this page on the very top, you will be able to locate the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and there search for Bank of America mobile banking application. Once you have entered the keyword, now press the search icon of the keyboard at the bottom right corner of your screen to search for it. Within a while, you will be able to see the search results below. Now here, you will need to find the authentic Bank of America mobile banking application. Since Bank of America's mobile banking app is not available in my region, I am not able to see this application. But if you could see this application, you will need to simply tap on Bank of America mobile banking application and then inside, if you found the update button, simply tap on the update option in order to update it to the latest version. If the update is not available, that means your application has already been up to date. If you do not want to use this Google Play Store, then you may also use the Google Chrome in order to update your application. For that, open your Google Chrome web browser on your device. In the search bar, here type in Bank of America mobile banking app. Now search for it. Within a while, you will get the search results. Simply tap on this Bank of America app icon and inside it, if there is update available, you will be able to see the update button. Simply tap on it and then you can install the latest version of the application on your device. So this is how you can update Bank of America mobile banking application on your mobile device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.